Welcome to this updated 2025 guide on how to check your driving record through the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. Whether you need your record for insurance, employment, or personal review, this walkthrough will show you the quickest and most reliable ways to access your official driving history online. Let's get started so you can securely view and download your record in just a few steps. First is log in to your DMVV portal or use your drive license check. Step 1. Visit the official FLHSMV driving portal. Step 2. Choose record type. Select the type of driving record you need. The full record includes information on violation, suspension, crashes, and accidents. Step 3. Enter driver details and pay the applicable fee, $8 or $10. And that's it. You now know exactly how to check your FLHSMV driving record in 2025. Fast, easy, and fully online. If you need a certified copy or run into verification issues, FLHSMV support or your local tax collector's office can help. Thanks for following along, and feel free to explore more 2025 guides to stay informed and organized.